Our friends at Hunkydory have come out with some die-cut cards. Now what you're going to get is 5 cards and 5 envelopes in the same package. That works nicely. Now this is called a beaded frame, and it's kind of hard for you to see here because once you get this, you're going to want to poke out all of these bits and pieces, but I've already done that for you. So here is what the card is going to look like. So this circle stays connected to the front of the card, but you're going to get that scalloped edge all the way around. Now the card, when it is all those bits and pieces are poked out, measures 5 by 5 inches. Again, you get the envelopes to coordinate with. And something that I found when it came is I was kind of wondering, all these pieces kind of hanging out. Well, those are the pieces that get removed, and that's, you know, that's easy to do. I did find that my retractable penknife really just made it a lot easier because I could just poke those out and just go right along, and like all of Hunkydory's things, these just pop right out. It's just no big deal at all. And you can just go right down, the row and do that, and then pull them from the back and they just pop right out. So you get a very different look with this and a really nice size in 5 by 5. Again, this is a beaded frame, 5 by 5 card, 5 cards, 5 envelopes, all from our friends at Hunkydory.